Hi guys, Varun here from Phone 99. We have this big red box from OnePlus.
Special.
You might know, the OnePlus 9 series around the corner.
Yes.
And it's that time of the year again. They have shipped a reviewer's kit in this fairly chunky this time. It's like heavy.
Pretty heavy,
move it
yeah.
easily. So it says OnePlus 9 series media kit. And we're going to be taking a look at it, what's inside. So let's dive in and take a look at what's there in this media kit from OnePlus.
What we are excited about with the new OnePlus phones.
Yeah, so let's open it up. More than usual. And wow, so they have the Hasselblad branding.
Yes.
So the OnePlus 9 series features the all new
If you
camera
have-
tech.
Yeah, if
Due
you
to
haven't
the
noticed
partnership.
already, they've been posting a lot of
Yeah, and been teasing a lot.
teasers about their
So you
partnership
have
with
the
Hasselblad.
9 Pro 5G and the 9 5G. And this looks like, there's something else interesting going on here. So you have is it the Apollo mission for landing on the moon?
Yes, Hasselblad is famously known for carrying for being the camera manufacturer for the Apollo missions when they went to the moon.
Wow.
So this is their teaser for that.
So that's
the
an
original
interesting-
photo that they took over there.
So that's an interesting box.
Yes.
And you have OnePlus Red Cable Club. Okay, they've even included a special knife in this for the unboxing. So looking forward to seeing that. So what else is here?
Okay.
Okay, there's this Swap Charge 50. So they've upgraded the wireless charger also this time around.
Last
I
year
think
they
it's
introduced
faster, so fast. I think it's even faster than some wired
most
charging.
wired charging. Yes.
Yeah, so wireless charger. You also get the
Two
cases.
One's carbon fiber, one's the sandstone finish. That
And
one
one's for the 9 and one's for the 9 Pro. Although both are not as much in different in terms of size this time around, very close, but still two different devices. I also have a Never Settle Edition Victorinox Swiss knife.
Yeah, that's
I'm
for
actually
helping
looking
us
forward to this.
unboxing, I guess.
Because we need a proper knife for our unboxings.
Yeah,
So
these are nice.
okay, wow. So that's a OnePlus branded Never Settle knife. It's a nice Swiss knife.
Yes.
Can't complain. So let's actually have this aside. Let's move everything else.
Pretty much in the box. Yep.
So we have the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G and the OnePlus 9 5G as well. Both have technology co-developed with Hasselblad. For those curious about the name Hasselblad. So it's this Swedish exquisite camera manufacturer who makes these really high-end medium format cameras. And so the name originates from the hazel tree. So it's called Hasselblad. So the blad is a leaf.
Right.
So the name came in from a family name. So
the tree, a leaf from a
hazel tree. So that's called Hasselblad. So that's the name.
More do you know?
Some trivia, yeah. So we have the main highlight of this unboxing here. So we have the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G and the OnePlus 9 5G, and also the new WAP 50 wireless charger. So let's quickly take a look.
It has a similar design as the WAP 30 charger that OnePlus introduced last year.
So you have like the fans at the bottom,
Cooling fan.
for cooling, and so this is like super fast. So in terms of charging, so 50 watts, and you need to use it with a 65 watt and above third party PD charger or supplying it. So you get the cable here in the box.
Adapter in the box.
In the box.
You have to use the one with your OnePlus phone.
So it has turbine air cooling. Sounds like a plane or something. Turbine air cooling, and silent nighttime mode and multiple safety precautions. So looking forward to trying this out. Wireless charging has always been like slow.
Yeah.
And this is probably one of the fastest wireless chargers out there. And it'll work the fastest with the OnePlus 9 Pro, obviously. And so we will come to that and try it out. But for now, let's keep that aside and come to the OnePlus 9 Pro here. So this is the box of the OnePlus 9 Pro. As you can see, it's the morning mist color. And so it's got this Hasselblad branding and logo all around the box.
Yeah. They're leaning very heavily.
Really looking forward to the camera experience.
Mm-hmm.
And you have the Never Settle paperwork. And wow.
Phone itself.
Wow. Phone is not too big. I thought
Similar
from
to
the pictures,
the 8 and 8 8 and 8 Pro.
Beautiful looking device, and
It's a very nice color.
yeah,
Morning
it's a
mist.
beautiful color. And we have the kind of the camera module here. Looking forward to trying
So
that
it
out.
looks like it has 4 cameras.
Yeah, has 4 cameras, including a telephoto lens,
Mm-hmm.
and also a kind of a laser
Autofocus. as well, yeah.
autofocus. Dual tone LED, I guess, so you can see a white and a yellow as well.
Mm-hmm.
And the SAR value is 1.11 watts per kilogram head and 0.91 for the body, in case you're interested.
A little on the high end, but it is a 5G enabled smartphone.
Yeah, so it's got a punch hole camera on the front. So let's check out what else is in the box. So unlike other brands, thankfully OnePlus is including the charger. I
For now,
like this charger when it came out with the 80.
yeah, it's a very good
It's
charger.
a very good charger, and they're finally, retaining the same design.
Mhm.
The old OnePlus charger used to be wide and not
Yeah.
put in the wall blicks. So this is a
You
Type
should
C
block other
PD
ports.
charger, 65 watt. Also get the same old school cable, red and
cable.
white. Yeah. So you have a case, which is surprisingly a silicone case this time around.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah, so it's a nice, decent, never settle branded silicone case. You also get a Red Cable Club membership card in the box, and some paperwork, and I think OnePlus stickers.
And of course, the SIM.
Yeah,
SIM card.
nice. They're still sticking to that old.
Yeah, the cards are very convenient.
So curious to see what is here this time around, considering the
Personalized message
Yeah.
from
so the same message from Pete Lau,
people.
and welcome to the Hasselblad branded OnePlus
Family.
family. Yeah, stickers. Yeah, OnePlus. Okay, let's put this aside. Let's try slapping the case and see if it's any good. Not too bad.
It does cover a bit of the beauty of the phone, but of course, you're
Yeah,
getting a lot
it
of
does
protection.
cover a bit of the phone, and it's not these cheap silicone covers we
Yeah,
get.
it's
These,
significantly higher quality.
It's much better than the ones which cover. It does cover a little bit of the screen also on the top and bottom, but not much on the sides because it's a curved screen.
Yeah.
But overall, also goes around with the design, color
Mhm.
of the phone, and it's not too easy to get out, which is good.
Always
these
good sign, yeah.
These cases otherwise slip out. Does seem to take some fingerprint. Considering
It's
its
a
color.
glossy finish.
But
so
I'm liking
naturally.
the kind of the overall design of it. I thought it's big from the photos,
Mhm.
but it is compact for a large screen flagship device.
Mhm.
It's not too bad. So let's power it on and take a look. So this is the 9 Pro 5G. So in the front you have the all new AMOLED LTPO display.
Yeah.
It's a 6.7 inch screen, and they have some cool effects going around here, like a canvas feature where you can actually
Click your own photo and
click your
have
own
it.
photo, have it, and the moment it's in low power mode, or like always on mode, you have a sketch of yourself.
Yeah.
And it works best for photos, faces, and yeah, so it's really cool. And when once you unlock, you get the photo with a nice kind of background, and once you unlock the phone, you get the pretty cool stuff here. So it's running on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888
Mhm.
processor, along with 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage in this particular unit, and it's running on Oxygen OS 11.
11.
Android 11, Oxygen OS 11.
Comes with Android 11 out of the box.
So it's got a 120 hertz AMOLED 6.7 inch. That's and you also have a hypersensitivity mode for the touchscreen where you can use it for gaming.
Mhm.
So very high response rate. Response is scaled up in that mode. So the main story this time around is the cameras.
Mhm.
Considering you have the Hasselblad branding, OnePlus cameras have been getting improved over time, and it's high time they kind of
Step up the
game. So you have a 48 megapixel main sensor, which is a Sony IMX789,
Mhm.
and you also have an ultra wide 50 megapixel camera, which is an IMX766,
Right.
and
The extra
the extra
telephoto.
two are the telephoto and the monochrome sensor.
Right.
And on the front you have a 16 megapixel punch hole camera here on the front, which is an IMX471 from Sony, and it supports 8K recording considering it's a Snapdragon 888 device. Most flagships these days are offering 8K video recording, so the OnePlus 9 Pro also offers the same. And so overall very solid camera features this time round in terms of the sensors,
hardware.
So we'll probably be sharing more on phonearena.com with the camera samples of the photos clicked from the device. Other than that, you have a 4500 mAh battery on the inside,
right?
Which is we're using a dual battery tech this time as well
To charge it up faster, maybe less 65-watt charging.
Yeah, it uses 65-watt charging, and it's got this really nice design this time round. Very different from the 8T and 8. It's called the Morning Mist, this particular color. It's going to be available in a few other colors as well. So yeah, it's going to be coming in two more variants. So it's going to be available in 8GB RAM, 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, or 128GB storage.
Right.
It uses UFS 3.1, and overall looks like a very interesting offering from OnePlus. In terms of the weight, it's about 197 grams, and it's got Corning Gorilla Glass for protection, and it's got this SIM card tray with just you don't have expandable storage, you only have dual nano SIM slots. And overall that's pretty much it. You have a very familiar OnePlus alert slider as well on the top right,
They haven't
removed any of the basics. You get the same dash charge, 60-watt charge, 65-watt charger, and overall pretty interesting offering from OnePlus, the OnePlus 9 Pro. Looking forward to trying the camera more. And so over to you, Milan. So this is the OnePlus 9. So what's different? Why a 9?
So I think they're following the same model like the 8 series, 8 and 8 Pro, 9 and 9 Pro. It contains most of the same internals as the OnePlus 9. So you have the same 888. You have the same 8 gigs or 12 gigs of RAM, 128 or 256 gigs of storage. There is of course small differences primarily with the camera. Also, this one
that color looks amazing.
Yes, it comes with a really nice color. I think it's called Winter Mist. Display, of course, it's been on the OnePlus 9 Pro. You have the 1440p display. On this one, it's a 1080p display, just like the 8 and 8 Pro, but it is 120 Hz. So you will be getting an ultra smooth refresh rate. Like I said, it's running this Snapdragon 888, so you will be getting the same performance inside. But there might be minor differences between the cooling and its other capabilities. The main difference, of course, between the two phones is the camera. So it is using, for the primary sensor, it is a 48 megapixel Sony IMX689 sensor, which is the same as the 8 Pro. The ultra wide it's shared between the two. It is the same 50 megapixel Sony IMX766. It is missing a telephoto sensor. Instead, it only has the monochrome sensor. The 2 megapixel monochrome sensor, and the front camera is the same.
And I think the laser autofocus is also missing, right?
Yeah. Yes. So it's using the Sony IMX 471, which is 16 megapixel sensor. So other than that, I think other differences would be it is lacking wireless charging. This one has wireless charging. This does
only
not.
In India. Okay.
Only in India, yes.
And both these phones are 5G ready.
Yes.
For those who are curious.
The 888 has a modem. The 5G modem built in, so it actually supports
4G and 5G networks.
And it does not have water resistance. It's not officially certified by water resistance. The OnePlus 9 Pro is.
The 9 is more of a more compact version of the 9 Pro. The 9 looks and feels a little lighter than the 9 Pro.
So it's coming down at...
I can see the screen resolution difference now. I mean, it's not too bad considering... it's still HD.
If you see it side by side, of course, maybe you can notice the difference. Otherwise, I'm sure it'll be fine.
It's fine. But overall, I mean, it feels more compact to hold. For people who prefer, I think, smaller phones, then I think the 9 makes a lot of sense. Those who want the best and the biggest screens, I think the 9 Pro makes a lot of sense.
And that, again, it has the same 4500 milliampere battery. Suppose 65-watt charging, and in the box you do get the charger just like the 9 and 9 Pro. So same cable, same thing, and you have all the stickers and extra stuff in the box basically.
So overall, I mean, looking forward to trying this out, the wireless charging. But the 9 Pro and 9 look like very interesting offerings from OnePlus. Looking forward to the camera performance, considering that's what OnePlus is talking about a lot. They've been teasing a lot, and it looks interesting. But do stay tuned to Phone Arena for our verdict about the camera. Is it worth the hype?
Worth the name.
Yeah, worth the name, worth the hype. We'll find out soon. So that's it from us. So this was a quick unboxing, rather long unboxing of the OnePlus 9 Pro series, OnePlus 9 series media kit, and you checked out both the devices and also the accessories. Do let us know if you have any questions about these devices. We'll try to answer it. And if you have any questions or comments about the products, do feel free to drop them in the comments as well. And thank you guys for watching. Do hit the subscribe button and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.